yeetaaga ennyama ennungi ng'ekoleddwa bulungi era ng'eteekeddwateekeddwa ku mutindo ogwesigika, totawana kutambula ekibuga. Tawafeek Butcher abasangibwa ku luguudo lwa Salaam okumpi ne Makindye Senior Secondary School okulira na Pearline Primary School ng'okkirira ku Charles City. Batunda ennyama ennungi ng'ate eri fresh. Weetaaga ya mikolo, weetaaga ya waka, ogyetaaga luddawa era mu bipimo kika ki. Bakubira essimu bajja gikutuusaako wonna w'ogyetaaze essaawa yonna. Okumanya ebisingawo kubira Tawfeek Butcher ku nnamba eno ku 0752 23 89 33 oba 0774 73 45 85. Tawfeek Butcher tweweeyo kuweereza essaawa 24.
Yesterday, at about 15 hours, rather 17 hours, we received video circulating on social media indicating that a group of people dressed in military uniform and some identified in civilian clothing, plain clothes, torturing a young man. It turned out that this video that was circulating came from Kitgum district, and specifically Muchwini, in a place called Lagot. The office of the RDC and the UPDF, in a combined force and effort, moved in to one, verify if indeed it is true that this video had come from Lagot. I want to report here that yes, this video came from Lagot. We then went to establish who these people are. We have since established, and these are the people we are parading before you here. There are 5 military officers. There's the Giso of Muchwini. But also, we have information that the chairman of Muchwini, chairman LC3, was involved. We are just trying to establish to what extent was he involved. He is since with us at the CPS in Kitgum district. We are asking him to make, we have asked him to make statements, and we shall investigate to what extent he was involved. But the ones who appear here are people that we can confirm appeared in that video. Like I promised yesterday, we shall be swift and we shall be precise. Investigations are now started, and from here on, you're going to see the number of actions we shall take against everybody who is found culpable on this matter. Torture is intolerable. Torture is unacceptable. For us as government, we have stood tall against torture. We have defended the rights of people even when they are found to have committed offenses. In this particular case, the gentleman called Omon Nelson was the one who was being tortured, and is alleged to have stolen a motorcycle. But we're saying, yes, if he has stolen, there is a legal way through which someone goes and faces the law. Those who are found to use extrajudicial methods of extracting information or any other way of punishing people shall always face the law, and that is why we are here. And we want to make this very, very clear to the public that we do not tolerate torture as a means of extracting information. We do not tolerate torture as a means of punishing people. We do not tolerate torture at all. We instead defend the rights of everybody. When someone is said to have to be guilty, there are courts of law where they can be proved innocent or guilty, and that is what we're going to do. So for us, the UPDF and the Office of the RDC condemn this